What I've got here is just a regular roll of toilet paper that you use at home. And we can demonstrate a scientific principle here. If you take this toilet paper with the edge on the far side, we can actually get it to move by just supplying some wind. So what's happening here? Wind is going across the toilet paper, and fast-moving air creates low pressure. Low pressure, of course, has high pressure move into it, and that's why we get this lift. Now, I don't have a lot of wind in me, so let's help this out by using a little bit of technology. We've got a leaf blower, which I've attached a paint roller to. By placing that onto the paint roller, instead of me blowing across, we'll have this leaf blower help us out and create the low pressure. Are we ready? And this is known as Bernoulli's principle, and science can use it to do various things.